Ukraine says Russia is refusing to turn over the bodies of the dozens of prisoners of war Moscow claims were killed in the downing of a military plane last week. A spokesperson for Ukraine's military intelligence is calling for an international probe into whether the plane was carrying weapons or passengers. Russia and Ukraine have traded accusations over the crash, with Moscow accusing Kyiv of killing its own men and Ukraine dismissing Moscow's claims as rampant Russian propaganda. Russia claims 65 Ukrainians were among 74 people killed when the plane went down on January 24th. The International Court of Justice is set to rule on whether it has jurisdiction to hear a case filed by Ukraine accusing Moscow of violating the Genocide Convention. Kyiv claims that Russia breached the landmark 1948 treaty by using trumped-up claims of genocide. Ukraine as a pretext for launching its attack nearly 2 years ago. Moscow rejects the allegations and argued that the court should throw out the case.